Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show the as-is condition of this garage. Today I'm going to be doing a lighting project to install better lighting throughout this garage. And the reason is because there's no light in this entire garage except for this 100-watt incandescent light bulb. And it just doesn't provide enough light. You might notice some woodworking equipment and stuff like that. Most of that is pretty useless because I can't do any kind of detailed work or anything like that in here with this amount of lighting right now. And I'll show you why. Essentially, especially over the workbench, I have this wood beam here, and it blocks most of the light to the workbench anyway. But you can see how much shadow gets cast. It makes it virtually useless in doing any kind of work. At least where I can't open the garage doors and stuff like that. So that's going to be the project today. I'm going to install fluorescent lighting throughout this entire garage, try and light this place up a little bit.